This is Deepti Verma from TSC Auto ID Technologies. We are basically into AIDC solutions, the whole barcode printers and EMC products we are providing. And today we have attended ASSET event, and I'm really thankful to the whole team, especially Bharat ji and Avinash ji, to give us this opportunity to attend the event. Our basic motive to attend this, to have a good exposure for our portfolio within this industry. Although we are already in this industry, but yes, definitely these partners have more bandwidth than us. So we want to have more cultural benefits for this association, and I hope we can get it. We are already established in India with a good name, with good of our channel network. So with just opening some more channels, we are here with ASSET team. Technologies are growing up. We have more opportunities to come up, to go with some new solutions, new things. So RFID is actually a next generation technology. So everybody wants to be in this, like in jewelry, in warehouse, in retail. So many of the verticals, they are already using RFID. So, and basically these SIs, those are connected with ASSET. They are more connected with so and so partners. So they can give more bandwidth to them, and definitely it's a revenue for all of us. See, exposure, then I have very good hope, big hope, and I hope I will get it. So because it's a big industry, so definitely I will get some more opportunities. We are very small, but yes, definitely our solutions are definitely required by many of those verticals which I mentioned earlier. So definitely I'm just hoping for a good best. If I start from my starting, okay, so TSC is means other than TSC. Earlier I was not into TSC, but yes, definitely I'm into this industry. I was selling TSC, but I know that end users, partners, those channels, they are very fond of TSC. And why? Because TSC is delivering their knowledge to the whole channel. They are not keeping those information to own self. They are delivering sales training, technical training right from the beginning. That is why we have initiated that academy here in Bombay. Okay, so it's been around 6-7 or around an year or so. So we are doing very good in this academy. So that's a very good step ahead to give them information or delivering information. Even not this year. Every year we are planning small, big, any kind of trainings. We are planning, already we are working on them. From last so many years, we are into this. So it creates a continuous future, continuous revenue, profitability to the whole channel. We are not keeping our knowledge कि अपने पास ही रखनी है, आगे नहीं उसको देना है. No, हम देने में विश्वास करते हैं, तभी सबको मिलता है फिर वो. TSC has their own training center, own you can say education center. If you reaches to the headquarter, we have our own portfolio to have the old means product को पूरा innovation करने से लेकर popular करना, market में pitch करना and everything. If you are talking about new technologies like AI and so on, so our products are already capable with so and so activities, and definitely जो new features आगे आएंगे वो भी हमारे products में identify होते जाएंगे. So TSC is a complete innovative company. We are not just make a product and sell it off. No, we are complete innovative company. When you come into this, so we have so many such products. Those are as a revolution in this industry. I just named one thing. Before TSC, all barcode printers comes with 74 meters of ribbon in use. TSC is the number one with use of 300 meter ribbon, which means a person has to be मतलब उसको 3 बार रिबन 4 बार रिबन चेंज करना पड़ेगा, मशीन खोलेगा बंद करेगा. एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं जो कि प्रिंटर में एक ही बार में काम हुआ। ओके, सेकंड, आप फीचर्स की बात बोलोगे, जैसे हम प्रिंट करते हैं रेजोल्यूशन आता है, सो प्रिंटर में भी वही रेजोल्यूशन है। सो TAC हैज right from small to big, 200, 300, 600. So we have printers with all resolutions. So as per demand, we are evolving, we are inventing new and new things into the market. We are not just stopping. Okay?
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.